To make this project, I used scrap woods, because I have lots of scrap woods from the projects before. I choose few of wood cuts that can be used. I use MDF and solid wood. Cut the solid wood and flatten it using hand planer machine, until 5 mm thickness. Cut MDF and solid wood with width 65 to 70 mm. Glue the solid wood cut with MDF. Flatten the edge of the wood using table saw until 60 mm width. I used part of Dynavolt to make the pocket hole, because cheap and easily to find. Measure outer diameter and inner diameter using vernier calipers. Measure the wood and cut with size length 45 mm. Use paper tape on woods to mark the position of hole easily. Use auto punch to drill easily and right to the center. Use drill clamp for drilling to get straight result. Put paper tape on all surface of the wood. Measure and mark to determine area that have to be cut. Set up the height of table saw to cut the wood according the mark has been determined. Cut slowly and carefully to get good result. Measure and cut the pipe tube appropriately. Use epoxy glue to placard the pipe tube with wood. Give extra epoxy glue to strengthen. Use the wood pulp to fill in between the pipe tube and wood. Then glue with super glue. Grinder a little bit of pipe etch. Mark and cut the wood with measured 60 mm x 65 mm. Cut the wood edge with 45 degrees angle. Plane the wood using hand planer machine to get smooth surface and appropriate thickness. Cut the edge of the wood to get straight edging. Measure and mark the wood with length 105 millimeters, then cut it. Cut the wood using table saw with measured 30 millimeters x 105 millimeters. Assemble all the wood cut together. Press the edge of wood, I am using fingers, to get angle 15 degrees automatically. This is the best angle to make pocket hole. Use glue to assemble all of parts as one. Mark and cut the rest wood to flatten. Cut the edge of the pocket hole with 15 degrees angle. Use router to flatten the edge of the wood. Give paper tape on the front of the pocket hole to measure and mark easily. Mark first net bit using paper tape to get the depth to drill. Measure the depth of the hole using vernier caliper, and also measure the thickness of the neodymium magnet to get the right position. If the hole of the pocket hole is too much depth, you can add wood pulp into it. After get the right position, give little bit of glue to put the magnet and press it using rubber hammer and wood. Sanding and polish using wax to get the surface smooth and shiny. This magnet is using to stick the pocket hole on clamps, and make we work faster. Clamp the pocket hole on the wood and table. Firstly, I use drill bit 8 mm on the right and left of the pocket hole. Then I use drill bit 10 mm on the middle of the pocket hole. Check the result using the pocket hole, looks nice and outstanding. I try to make hole with the pocket hole using standard screw, and the result is really great. head screw is really adjust with 8mm hole, and for the 10mm hole, the head screw is really flat and neatly.